what is the general topic and what I would call the editorial line of the ESMO 2022? So we selected a tagline that is understand the disease to provide better care to the patient. And this means a lot. We are currently facing a time where we are receiving a lot of information. A lot of new randomized trials are coming, new phase 2 trial, new information from real world evidence, and our conviction with the other chair, Charles Swanton, is that it's impossible for an oncologist to absorb and digest all this information about clinical trial if we do not have a good understanding of the disease. We all know that knowing a target makes easier the digest of the result of a clinical trial. So this is why we really wanted to build the conference with a strong basement on disease understanding on which we can build all the clinical information. So that is the way the conference is structured this year. Based on this, we ask a lot of speakers to integrate information on basic science, translational research, in order for the oncologist to really have the tools in terms of knowledge to better interpret the trial. The other reason why we selected this tagline is because more and more we have precision medicine. So precision medicine means that we develop drugs that specifically target a mechanism of resistance, mechanism of cancer progression. So with this growth of precision medicine, it's obvious that we need to understand the disease to provide the treatment. And the last point for choosing this specific tagline and editorial line is that with COVID, we have seen that there are a lot of misinterpretation of trial. Sometimes some people don't understand or misunderstand the clinical information, and we think that the best way to avoid what is called fake news or misinterpretation is again to have solid basement on understanding of the disease. Then what do we include in this? Of course, the traditional scope of ESMO, that is drug development, drug implementation for patients with cancer, but also more and more there is a wish from ESMO to move earlier in the disease course, meaning in the field of early cancer detection and even prevention. Where is this field going? This field is going in the integration of two different tools. The first one is the capacity in front of someone to say what is the risk of cancer. And then, if the risk of cancer is high, we believe that there is a growing role for oncologists. And we think that there is a growing role to understand the mechanism, the molecular mechanism of malignant transformation in each patient to move toward personalized prevention according to the main risk factor and the main causality. So we believe that oncologists should invest in the field of early cancer detection and chemo prevention, because what is missing to this field are doctors and institutions who will have the culture of therapeutic intervention in front of cancer. So this is why we try to broaden a little bit the usual scope of ESMO by adding small pieces of prevention, early detection on a personalized way.